In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pipedrive to Mailchimp in 3 minutes. If you use Pipedrive to manage deals and Mailchimp to send campaigns, connecting the two lets your contact data flow smoothly, so you're not exporting files or juggling duplicates. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Pipedrive account in a web browser and have your Mailchimp login handy. If you don't have admin rights in either tool, you may need a teammate with the right permissions to complete the authorization. Start in Pipedrive. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose Tools and Apps. This is where Pipedrive keeps its integrations and add-ons, and it's the fastest path to the Mailchimp connection. Once Tools and Apps opens, check the left-hand pane. You should see an option labeled Mailchimp or Mailchimp Sync. The exact label can vary by account or region, but both point to the same integration. Click that option. If you don't spot it right away, scroll the list or use the search bar in this section to find Mailchimp by name. On the Mailchimp page, click Install Now. Pipedrive will show an Allow and Install prompt. Approving this gives Pipedrive permission to connect and exchange data as designed by the integration. Go ahead and confirm. Right after that, you'll be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp credentials, and if you manage more than one workspace, select the correct one for this connection. When Mailchimp asks for authorization, click Allow or Authorize to complete the handshake. That's it. You've connected Pipedrive to Mailchimp. You should see a confirmation back in Pipedrive indicating that the installation is active. If a spinner appears for a moment, that's normal. Give it a few seconds to finish linking everything in the background. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you run into a permissions message, check that your Pipedrive role allows installing apps and that your Mailchimp user can authorize integrations. If you don't see the Mailchimp option in the left pane, try the search field within Tools and Apps, or refresh the page to load the catalog. And if you previously connected and removed the app, you might be asked to reauthorize. Just follow the same prompts you saw today. With the connection in place, your CRM and email marketing platform are ready to work together, saving you time and reducing manual updates. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing.